So here is how long it actually takes to do an outlet the right way. So this is just a regular outlet, and begin.
The drill is irrelevant. We've used them, so don't tell me I'm cheating, because you use electric toothbrushes, and that's cheating. The light, actually, what helps after all these years. Never really. I got this for Christmas, so I'd be doing it in the dark. Technically it's not done. We'll do the tape because it's not getting drywall for a couple of weeks, if not a month. So if I'm not here, they could pull them. I never usually tape them. It's not required in the New York State of Mind. Alright, then you just hit it. Okay, squeeze it all together, fold it in like an accordion, because nothing else bends. If this was live, I still wouldn't get shot, because I taped it. That I'd get shot because I'm touching it. Done, plate.
Oh, I see, huh?
Right.
So that was about 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
So take off a couple of seconds for taping, because I never really was one to tape.
All right, 2 minutes and 49 seconds.